Welcome back. Let's continue to set up your portal via the institution settings, institution marketing. What you'll need is your institution branding, such as logo image, other images if you're wanting to set up selling points, any FAQs, and a header image for your portal. I will share my screen and show you Bloom's example. Institution Marketing General. Here is where you can update your institution status to online. Online is for when you want the portal to be viewable and accessible. Offline is when only institution administrators will be able to see the portal. The institution type is either public or private. You can also set up external URLs here if you choose. Branding. Here is where you can add your logo image, brand, and call to action color and terminology. Don't forget to click Save Branding. Please pause this video now and add your logo image, brand, and CTA color. Now that you've set up your branding, let's proceed to set up your About selling points. You can add your selling points by clicking on Add Selling Point and proceed to upload an image and a title and a blurb. I will show you how. About selling points. Add selling point. Here is the image and your title and blurb. Don't forget to click Save Selling Points. Please pause this video now and add your selling points. Next is FAQs. Here is where you can add your FAQs. You can add your FAQs by clicking on Add FAQ. Once you've added your FAQs, don't forget to click on Save FAQs. You can also move things up and down, and you can remove them too if you like. Please pause this video now and add your FAQs. Next is footer links. Here is where you can add footer links, such as links to Contact Us page, by clicking on Add List. Remember to click on Save Links. Please pause this video now and add your footer links. Next is your landing page. Here is where you can add a header URL video or an image, edit the navigation bar, add a rich text block about us section, add your institution selling points, your courses, your featured courses, categories, qualifications, community block, testimonials, team information, and FAQs. There's a lot of information to add here. And once you do, don't forget to click on Save Landing Page. I will show you an example of what it looks like. As you can see, here is where the header image is. This is the navigation bar items that have been set up. The About Us section is the rich text block. Here are the selling points. Here are the featured courses and course categories, qualifications set up if you're using them, testimonials, team information, FAQs, and footer links. Please pause this video and proceed to set up your portal landing page. Well done on setting up your landing page. Next is digital credentials. Here is where you can go to Accredible and set up or edit your digital credentials if you choose to use Accredible. If you need to refer to any step-by-step guides on how to set up your institution marketing, you can find most of what I've walked you through in the Institution Portals category. Here is our help page, and here is the Institution Portals category. You can also live chat with us on the platform using the live chat bubble. You can email us or you can call us if you need further support. Thank you.